Hey! Welcome back to Polly's top tips, tricks and hacks for airbrush temporary tattoos. Now today I've got an absolutely awesome one for you. If you've been looking at equipment and you've looked at how much the stands cost to rest your airbrush guns on, they can mount up to be quite expensive. So this is a fantastic tip. All you need is an MDF shelf like this, okay? And then you get somebody with a router to router out some holes. Now I've got 12 holes on this one, so I can have 12 guns. Okay, and all you've got to do then is, if I show you, you get some clamps like this. You can pick these up, you need two. You can pick these up, mine are a little bit dusty. You can pick these up at any general store or eBay, Amazon, something like that. And what you do is you open the clamp up and you clamp it onto your table. Like that. And then you can put your guns in. Okay, so you get your gun and what you do is you just rest it in the hole and it stays in. Doesn't fall out. Dead easy to pick it up and down. So you can make that for as many guns as you want. If you've got 6 guns, make 6 holes. 10 guns, 10 holes. It's super simple, really cheap, and it'll save you an absolute fortune. If you like my top tips, tricks and hacks today, hit the like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for some more hacks. And don't forget, airbrush like a boss.